Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. As I was saying in one of my other videos, I think my last one, I had some new kits coming in from the Seed line. This happens to be one of my favorite UC suits turned into a Seed suit because I love the GELGOOGs. Those were awesome. But this one here is kind of designed more Seed way, so it's kind of designed around the mobile Jin, I think, a little more, and between that and maybe the Zaku's. So anyways, take a look at this kit today, alright, and we'll get it built up. So this is the HG Cosmic Era, so HGCE GELGOOG MENACE Lunamaria Hawke Custom, and it's from the Seed Freedom movie line. Now, these have been great kits. I've enjoyed each and every one that I've built so far for you guys, and I really like the engineering going into them. They are a little more expensive kits. That's my biggest gripe about it being an HG kit. When I'm spending what I could spend on, almost what a master grade costs nowadays. Although those have gone up too, so. But anyway, so let's take a look at this. So here's the front artwork. It's pretty cool looking. There's some blasts in the background. A really nice picture there. Really like that. And then on the side of the box, we have some cool poses and what it can do and its weapons. Got a flyer backpack and a rifle and a railgun. I think that's what that is. And it looks like it has a new beam Naginata, so that's pretty cool. And this over here is showing that it can pose really nicely, so with all the new joints, the Seed Action System joints. And let's see, this side here we have the front artwork again, so just the same thing. Now over here we have a kit that's all nicely built up, and if you want to pause it, you can read the little thing right there on it. Talks about the suit and the pilot, I think, and another side with the same artwork from the front on it. So, alright, this is a really thick box. It's pretty thick. So it's a pretty decent sized box. You can see it takes up close to both of these mats. It's a little bit longer than the A4 mat, and it's about 1 1/4 of those mats wide. A little more than. So it's a pretty big box. All right, well, let me see. Let me see if I can change the lighting here and get it. Maybe that's a little better. Not quite so. There we go. How's that? I think that's a little less glare. I seem to be getting a glare over here. Alright, so let's get into this kit and check it out. And I'll go over what's in the box, and then I will be happy to build it up and give you my thoughts on the kit. Alright, so here we go. Open it up, set this over the other table. There's a kind of a big sticker sheet again. So my only complaint about these, I know that most of these stickers are going to be for the backpack. I think there's a couple here. I'll just probably hand paint those details in or whatever. But sticker sheet, man, really not too impressed with sticker sheets. But they've been okay, especially since most of these end up just for the backpack portion of the kits. Alright, so we have, let's see, there we go. We'll get a little bit more light from that way. Alright, there's our sticker sheet. We'll set that over here, out of the way. We have runner H1. It's some purplish color parts. We have our F1 runner. It's some white parts. And this here is the B runner, and it's actually in a multicolor. You got some gray frame parts and some other various parts that looks like backpack parts. We'll set that over here. Let's see. See if I can get this to do. Yeah, alright, these ones are gonna cooperate. The last few haven't really been easy to open, so try and keep the scissors handy if I need to cut them. There's the beam Naginata parts. Those are pretty cool. And we have the DU2 runner, some red parts. Looks like that's part of the waist, head, shoulders, arms. And this here is, what runner is this? Okay, I don't see the number on it because I'm blind, don't have my glass. Oh, this is actually the A runner. That's weird. You got the rifle, part of the rifle, and some other colored parts. A nice bluish gray, and the rifle is in the dark gray. Both the rifles. Let's just cut this bag open here. Seems to be the easier way to get them open today. And we have 2 more runners in this bag. And let's see, we have the C2 runner. Looks like more inner frame parts. That's for the chest, legs. And then we have the outer armor for the chest. The back skirt looks real nice. His chest looks really cool. I like the redesign of that. And this here's for the shield, which is really neat. These go together and they fold up, and then you unfold them, and they have this really cool beam effect part right here that's really nice and very iridescent. You can see plastic is real nice on them. I hear these glow in a black light, or not the black light, the UV light. They're UV reactive, but I don't have a UV light to show that, so anyways. And it looks like, just like the Gion Storm, we have a very tiny little polycap runner. Huh, interesting. These are G. They're 2 exact same runners in this dark blue, or this dark bluish color, and it looks like for the feet. And I'm not sure what the other pieces are for yet. We'll find out. Alright, last bag of runners. Alright, so we have more frame parts. This is another C runner. Here's another D1 runner, another D runner. Got the leg parts. Got some shoulder parts over here. This part here is the new part of this runner here, the D1 runner, which are the leg bells. And the last but not least, E2. It is the railgun, or the big rifle, whatever it's called. Alright, let's take a look at what we have here. This is the manual, and it has that nice artwork on the front again. And if you want to pause this and read this here, you should be able to. There we go. It tells you a little bit about Lunamaria and the GELGOOG and compass. Alright, so we got a nice color parts list there. Down below, how to assemble. That's just standard stuff there. If you're watching this, you probably have been doing the hobby for a little while, and you know, you understand how to assemble things. So we start with the head here. It's going to go down to the body, then the shoulders. The next page is the right arm, the left arm, the waist unit. This is going to be a really fun little build. And now we're out of the color pages and into the black and white. Just finishes with the waist, goes to the legs, then to the backpack, it looks like, and then the weapons. This one here shows the beam Naginata and the shield, and how you can store everything on the backpack and on the kit. It's really nice. And we have the painted page, which is pictures of the kit all painted up, which is really nice. Kind of goes over some of the names of the things. I'll never remember them, so I'm not even going to try. Yeah, bad memory. That's what happens when you hit 50. Anyways, let's see. And another one showing it down. It shows the neck movement and the body. So it's the waist moving and the shoulders over here. So that's pretty much it for the unboxing. I'd like to just take a minute and say thank you to everyone who's taken the time to watch my videos and subscribe. You guys really do mean the world to me, and this gives me something to do with my hobby other than just sitting here in a room all by myself building something. I get to actually share it out with you guys, and I really want to thank each and every one of you guys for being a member of my channel. And if you're not a member of my channel already, you can hit that subscribe button down below, and you can also hit that bell notification and click all. That way you get all notifications when my videos go live. Anyways, with saying that, let me go ahead, let me get this build up for you. We'll get it on a turntable and on a stand, and we'll go ahead and I'll give you my thoughts on it and a little bit of a review. Alright, see you guys soon. Alright, final thoughts on this kit. This kit was awesome, just like the rest of the Seed line, Freedom line has been, and it was a fun little build. Anyways, I love GELGOOGs. If you love GELGOOGs, I highly recommend this kit. I know it's not a UC GELGOOG, it is from this Cosmic era, so the CE, which is the Seed universe, but they did a really nice job on this kit. It looks really awesome. It's got a lot of articulation. As you saw, I had it the waist bending back and things in one of my shots here. I had the wings extended. It does come with a lot of accessories also. It comes with that beam shield, the beam naginata, a short handle for the beam naginata if you want to use a short handle. It comes with that beam rifle, and it comes with the mega particle cannon thing there down at the bottom, the really big gun. And yes, the rifle, the gun, and the short beam naginata can all be stored on the back skirt. The shield does fold. I had a hard time. I was trying to get it to hold the handle on the shield. I couldn't get it to. I don't know. It's a weird design on that. But all in all, this was an awesome build. It has that all the seed manipulation stuff in it. You know, how it bends and this and that. I can't remember what they call it. It's like seed action system, I think, or something like that. But anyways, doesn't really matter. This is a really great kit. Pick one up if you like GELGOOGs. Pick one up if you don't like GELGOOGs. Pick one up and enjoy building it. And I can't wait for the P Bandai one. I'm going to have to order that one because it was that fun of a build to build this. It has that gun on the back. It slides a little bit forward and back. The backpack tilts up. Now the stickers. Let's talk about the stickers. It's a big sticker sheet. But they're all for the backpack, pretty much. And for the thrusters, but I just painted the thrusters with my handy dandy Chrome EX Gundam marker. And I used that to detail things up. I did that on the chest and a few other places, like down here on these thrusters here. There's stickers for those thrusters, but I don't want to use a lot of stickers on the body. Anyways, this was really a cool build, and I was waiting for this one, and I had to wait till the Dual Blitz was in stock somewhere at the same time, so I could pick them both up at the same time, because I didn't want to pay extra shipping. You know, I didn't want to pay shipping twice. Anyways, so that's what I did. I don't know. I hope you guys are all enjoying the way I'm doing my videos nowadays. I think this is going to be the format from now on. I'll just do some poses and have them going around on the turntable here, and that way you can kind of see how it bends and moves. And I try and you know, move the arms around, do all the different weapons, and make sure I'm bending the legs and the waist, and give it really cool poses. Anyways, besides that, thank you very much for being a member of my channel and a subscriber. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, and you like my content, please, by all means, hit that subscribe button. I'd really like to get some more subs. That would be great. And other than that, make sure... oh, yeah. One more thing about this kit. There is a water slide decal sheet, but I forgot to order it with this. And that's the only thing I think this kit that could make this kit any better than it already is. That and not having to use the big stickers on the wings and the back, but that's just backpack stuff that they seem to be wanting to do with all these seed kits. So anyways, next up will be the Dual Blitz Gundam. I'm going to get that built up and get that up on the turntable for you guys so you guys can check that one out. Grab this kit if you see it. If any place has a sale, by all means, this would be one that I would look for. I want to get the P Bandai version of this kit. I know it's just the same kit in different colors, but this was a really fun build and it was totally worth it. Anyways, thank you all for being I'm sorry, I can't talk. Thank you all for being a subscriber to my channel. And make sure that if you're not, you hit that subscribe button if you like my content and want to see more of it. And don't forget to hit that bell notification down at the bottom and select all. That way you get notified when my videos go live. Anyways, alright, I will see you all in the next one. Thank you guys very much for being here for me and watching my content. It makes me very happy to know that I am pushing content out to other builders. And I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.